Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and today I'm at Coal Bay Strip where I'm meeting the Chief Engineer of the project called Demetrius. Together with the Chief Engineer of Paphos Municipality, we're going to have a look around the site and see how things are going. Sorry, what's your name again?
Pandelis.
Banderis?
Yes, Pandelis.
Okay, Banderis.
Pandelidis. Pandelis, Pandelidis.
Oh, Banderis, Banderidis, okay.
Yeah.
Right. Should we carry on or avoid that?
Hey, you guys, you want to walk in front and take and ask questions? We can do.
So what's happening here then?
What's happening here? So this is the water drain. All the surface water gets through the gullies, and we supply that in the main construction network of the runoff water.
And so presumably you've been laying that new pipe all the way down?
The main network that you recorded and people have seen, it's getting the bypass gullies now that will get the runoff water and direct it through the main network from the surface.
Oh, one thing, some people have said it's going to be pedestrianised at the end. Is that true? The main strip?
It's not originally pedestrian, it's just shared spacing, which means that all the surfaces will be in one level.
Yeah.
And they are going to be poles in order to be the cars will go in the middle of this one, and the rest of the...
Like the seafront used to be?
Yeah, yes, like the seafront. They will be one level and will be all with gravel.
Yeah.
So the project is one level.
Yeah.
There isn't any raised pavements.
Yeah.
It will be separated by different color of granite stone to set the boundary limits, and there will be bollards preventing cars going in the pedestrian area.
Yeah.
So what happened here? The contractor did the excavation. The soil wasn't good, so he went with a capping layer. So now we are standing on a capping layer. It offers strength on the forces that will be featured on the ground.
Yeah.
So the whole area has been laid with capping layer.
Oh, got you. It's like hardcore.
Yes, due to weak subgrade.
Yeah, that was my original confusion, by the way. I confused Ocean Basket with Santa Marina.
He's going to make a renovation to his restaurant anyway. He's going to move the aluminium doors from in front in order to be 3 meters in the back.
Oh, got you.
And will be in an open space in front where they can put their tables, their chairs. Someone will have his meal, but without be close inside. They will be just...
Give him more space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Paphos is the contractor here. He's the contractor, he's the owner of the contractor company, Paphos. He's working full force. He's working late night times.
Oh.
So hopefully we're going full throttle.
Excellent. Right, let's move on. One problem they had in Paphos was finding lots of archaeological remains when they dug up. Have you had anything similar? Or has it been, I suppose here it's a lot newer though.
It's relative. At the moment, Mr. Pandelis, did we ever find any significant archaeological sites beside the museum at Thalassa Hotel in the area?
It is an ancient area there, an antiquities department there, and everyone can visit it.
But in the area there isn't any signs because
this area is a new development area.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's a commercial area. It's Coral Bay tourist area and shopping center.
So the contractor split the project to two phases. One phase is finishing at this point here that you can see the capping layer changing color.
Yep.
The reason is he's going to do the underground communal services like electricity, telecommunication, and there's a substation. So the first part starts from Ocean Basket and delivers here, and it continues further on down by Second Cup Coffee. He is on time. Dimos Beja is anticipating and to get the project by end of April.
Yep.
So we are tracking the contractor. He's fully compromised, and at the moment everybody's happy with his progress.
Excellent.
So I think Dimos Beja's tried to do something that hasn't been done, squeeze a project, and it seems that it goes fair well until now.
Yeah, good.
And the owners of the restaurants here and the shops, they are fully
On board.
composed, and they are, we have very, very good cooperation with
Excellent.
everyone here, because they understand that they have to renovate their shops in order to be a fully new, very nice area in order for someone to walk and
Yeah.
see. And,
I'm guessing we can't go any further, or can we?
We can go a bit by the escalator and
Okay.
come back.
Lead on.
So in total, everything's getting upgraded here.
Yeah.
Shops, roads,
electricity poles, and they will be all underground. You are not going to see any
Cables.
cables and all this. They will be moved to all this in order to be.
They're the scourge of my drone flying cables. Always have to keep an eye out for them. I've eaten many times in Seriani. Yeah.
Seriani and Andrea, you see they are all under renovation. They are here in Licando. They are restaurants.
There too. Yeah, but they're kebabs on the big sticks.
So just for the record, what you're seeing in front of us is the existing soil. After removing concrete structures and asphalt paving, the contractor has the natural issues as rain period.
Yeah.
But it doesn't affect him because this party, he went ahead a step and did the capping layer, so everything's secured. He can work without having mud issues. And
Okay.
so he's trying to get the first phase and parallel work the second phase going down. But it suits him because it will get a bit dry until he progressed in the first part,
Yeah.
so he can get in the second part.
Okay. Yes, fortunately the wet weather seems to be behind us, according to the fork. Mind you, it was raining up in Paphos as I drove through.
Look, it doesn't matter, especially if he gets to get the capping layer, it doesn't get muddy and everything can go on schedule. So have to get it at 10 days time, finish this part and do the capping layer, and everything goes on schedule.
Okay. So we're all still all looking good for end of April, with a bit stretching into May to do the final landscaping.
The main part of the project delivering to the public will be by end of April will be delivered. That's the plan. I'm the supervising engineer. Mr. Pandelis, as I said, he's a municipality engineer and the engineer of the project. So he's the coordinator, and I have to say that Mr. Pandelidis and Mr. Lambro, the mayor, they are fully focused on delivering the project on time.
And we are, I think we are in a good way in order to finish on time.
Good.
Everything will be on time for sure.
I know all the people who watch these will be very pleased to hear that.
Because we don't want to lose any tourist period of the shops here and all this. This is why we want the 1st of May to be open for the public here, and for the cars, and of course for the pedestrians. We are going to plant new trees in the two sides of the road in order to be
nice.
shaded
Yeah,
for the people, and it would be nice for the walking. We are going to have new bus stations and all this.
And bins?
And bins,
Yeah,
of course.
no, because people always say, where are the bins, where are the bins?
In order to divert the area, how the people will go here.
Excellent. If you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page, Paphos Live. We will be doing updates on this project over the coming months. We will also publish a separate film showing the drone footage I took when I visited the site. Thanks for watching.